Although consciousness is the screen on which everything appears, that which happens on the screen is different for each of us, and we identify with our own picture.
We can only use metaphors up to a point. When stretched too far, they don't work. We use the metaphor of images on a television screen to understand the relationship of thoughts, feelings, and perceptions to consciousness. The screen stands for consciousness, and the images for the manifestations, the energies, the appearances. If we want to understand the relationship between consciousness and the apparent multiplicity of minds, we can also use the image of a television screen, but in a different way. If innumerable television screens, each with their own image, represent innumerable minds, then in this case, consciousness is indicated by an observer who is watching all the television screens at the same time. Sometimes two images may have some connection because they share a common object. Sometimes they may not seem to have any connection because their fields don't intersect. However, one single witness observes all screens. In this metaphor, the witness stands for consciousness, and each screen stands for each individual mind.